dumulog naman sa Korte Suprema ang ilang mga Mindanaoan lawyers at political vloggers para ipatigil ang impeachment proceedings laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Samantala, tiniyak naman ng Supreme Court na aksyonan nito agad ang petisyon. Si Margaret Gonzalez sa balita.
Naghain ng petisyon for certiorari and prohibition sa Supreme Court ang mga Mindanaoan lawyer para harangin ang impeachment proceedings laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Hiniling ng mga abogado na sina Atty. Israelito Torion, Atty. Martin Delgra, Atty. James Reserva, Atty. Hilary Olga Reserva at Atty. Luna Acosta na magpalabas ang Korte Suprema ng temporary restraining order at injunction para ipawalang bisa ang impeachment complaint. Kasama rin sa mga nagpetisyon ng vice-alcalde ng Davao City, ilang miyembro ng Konseho ng Lungsod at ang mga kilalang political vloggers na sina Darwin Salcedo, Lord Byron Cristobal at Lord Oliver Raymond Cristobal. Ayon sa kanila, epektibo at hindi dapat dinggin ng Senado ang impeachment complaint na inahain ng Kamara.
It did not consider the three priorly filed impeachment complaints. It did not likewise consider due process to the Vice President, and it did not also follow the constitutionally prescribed verification process. And because of these three and other grounds, the impeachment complaint should be dismissed and not entertained rather.
Questionable umano ang verification process ng impeachment complaint. Giit ng mga petitioner, hindi pinag-aralang mabuti ng mga lumagda sa reklamo ang nilalaman nito at biglaan na lamang isinama sa usapin ng impeachment.
The verification process requires that it should be personally known, the allegations are personally known and studied by the respective congressman who signed it. And if you notice, the congressman who went there did not even know as to the subject matter of the discussion in the House caucus. And there was only around 3 hours between 12 o'clock to 3:15 before it was included in the additional House business reference. And by that time, we feel and we have reasons to believe that some of the congressmen were not even able to peruse the complaint as well as assess the evidences attached in the impeachment complaint.
Kinesyon din ng mga abogado kung bakit hindi agad inaksyonan ng Kamara ang tatlong impeachment complaint noon pang Disyembre, kahit na ito mismo ang nakasaad sa kanilang mga patakaran at sa saligang batas.
It is mandatory under the 1987 Constitution for the House of Representatives to act right away on any impeachment complaints and accordingly subject it to the order of business within 10 session days and refer it to the proper committee within 3 session days thereafter. Now, if you will likewise read Rule 2 of the, House of Representatives on impeachment, it is likewise clearly stated therein that upon receipt of the impeachment complaint, it should be referred to the Speaker by the Secretary General, and the Speaker is mandated by their own rules to have it set in the order of business within 10 session days from receipt, and the Speaker is mandated by their own rules to refer it to the Committee on Justice within 3 days. And what did they do? They never acted.
Dagdag pa ng mga petitioner, hindi nabigyan ng due process si VP Sara sa ika-4 na impeachment complaint dahil walang ginawang aksyon o pagdinig ang Kamara hinggil dito. Ayon naman kay Atty. Martin Delgra, railroaded o minadali ang impeachment complaint. Dahil sa maling proseso, napilitan silang idulog ito sa Korte Suprema.
Kung tinama nila yung ginawa sa House, sang-ayon sa saligang batas, wala po kami rito, hindi kami magpa-file ng petition for certiorari and prohibition. Kasi nga, hindi sinunod yung Constitution. And that's the reason why we need to question is because we, as registered voters who voted for the Vice President, will make our vote inutil. Kasi kung successful yung impeachment na yan, mawawala ang silbi yung boto namin.
We did not sign this in our part as government officials or members of the Davao City Council, but because we fully believe that the government should be of laws and not of men. We all know that impeachment is in its heart a political process, but this does not mean that politics should be the main reason why impeachments are filed. So on my part, I really want to make sure that the law is being followed to the letter and not abused in order to reach whatever ends other people may want for it.
Samantala, mga political vlogger, nagpaliwanag din kung bakit isa sila sa mga nagpetisyon para mabasura ang impeachment complaint.
Kasi kami bilang mga content creators and vloggers, meron din kaming responsibility sa mga viewers namin. And marami kami na pina-follow ng daan-daan libong mga Pilipino worldwide, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. And lahat sila alalang-alala sa mga nangyayari sa bayan natin. Alam naman natin na ito ay isang gawaing politika. Itong natatamasa ng mga Duterte ngayon ay politika lang. Kasi katulad ng sinasabi natin, itong petisyon natin na ito, may grounds and nasa batas. So ang gusto lang po natin ay yung nasa batas, yung nasa tama.
Karapatan nila magpasa ng impeachment. Karapatan ng bawat isa, meron tayong karapatan. Kayo, kami, tayong lahat. Ginamit nila yung karapatan nila mag-impeach. In-impeach si VP Sara, karapatan din namin itong isang pasaporte at pigilan. So sana nirespeto namin kayo, respetuhin nyo rin kami, kung yung iba nga na convicted na, nakakapag-hearing pa, siguro kami namang wala namang kaso, pwedeng magsampa para pigilan yung impeachment ni VP Sara.
Samantala, pinagkokomento na ng kataas-taasang hukuman ng Korte Suprema ang Senado sa petisyong humihiling na dinggin na ang impeachment complaint laban sa Vice Presidente. Binigyan ng Senado ng 10 araw para magkomento. Tiniyak din ng Korte Suprema na aaksyonan nila agad ang petisyon para naman sa pagpapalabas ng TRO laban sa impeachment complaint. Ayon si SC, isang urgent matter ang impeachment complaint at kinakailangang aksyonan agad.
The Supreme Court acts on the matter by either requiring the parties to comment on the petition. Impeachment is a nationwide concern that will be treated with urgency because of the gravity of the matter.
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas Kumahal, Merl Gonzalez, SMNI News.